Hi guys, welcome back to 4D Dig. In this digital age, data security is crucial. Whether it's to prevent data loss or to improve work efficiency, regularly backing up your computer data to an external hard drive is a wise choice. Today, we will introduce 3 simple and effective methods to help you easily complete data backup from your computer to an external hard drive. Method 1. Use file history. First, let's go to Settings and Updates and Security. Within there, I'm going to go to the Backup tab here, and what we're going to do is add a drive. Your PC will now search for any drives that are plugged in that can be used for backup. Then go to More Options, and we've got an option to back up now. As you can see, the default is to back up your files every hour. That might be a little bit excessive for most computers. You can adjust it. My recommendation is perhaps daily. So when you set up your own settings, click Backup Now and the backup will start. Method 2. Use Backup and Restore. Go down to Window box first. You're going to type Backup and you'll see a thing called Backup Settings come up. Now you can go to Backup and Restore. Go into Setup Backup. You're going to go to Backup Files here. Select your drive, click Next. You can either choose yourself or you can let Windows choose. Finally, click Save these settings and we can run the backup. Then wait for the process complete. If you think this type of backup is too complex, you can try a powerful software called 4D Dig Partition Manager. Method 3. Use 4D Dig Partition Manager. 4D Dig Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can not only help you migrate Windows OS to USD without reinstalling system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition to upgrade disk. Moreover, it can help you resize, extend, split, create, or delete partitions. First, go to the main interface. Hit Clone Disk. In here, you can choose disk you want to clone to your hard drive. Click Continue button, and then hit Start. Wait for the process complete. Here you go. You have successfully cloned your hard drive with a simple click. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.